Hello! Welcome to the universe. Today we have something from out of this world. We have something that's been traveling millions of miles for billions of years. We have a meteorite. We sure do, folks. We got our hands on some Campo del Cielo meteorites from Argentina. What is this in my pocket? I think I have some meteorites. That's right, I have several samples of meteorites. There's one prepared under the microscope, but should I share the other ones with these little critters?
Yes.
Yes, they say, of course I will. Check out those meteorites. Let me see if I can show one so you guys can get a better view. There's a meteorite right there. Wow, everyone's showing it. Good job, guys. These meteorites, as I said, are found in the Campo del Cielo meteorite region, northwest Argentina. He's taking my meteorite. Oh, Sheriff, folks, you have two of them right here. That's a good one right there. These guys, they love meteorites. But anywho, folks, I'll tell you more about this. So let's begin our exploration. Campo del Cielo meteorites. Here we go. Whoa! Hold on a second. I see something very strange on this meteorite. It looks like there's a handprint. Do you guys see that? It looks like an alien, perhaps. You never know. It looks like an alien slashed the meteorite. What do you think about that alien meteorite?
Good.
Good. Everything is good. That's a good thing. Hey, I like that. I like the passion in this one. Where's your meteorite? Oh my gosh, they're everywhere, folks. They're dropping on the floor. These are found in the Chaco region in northwest Argentina, and they're approximately 4 to 5 billion years old. How many zeros does a billion have?
In my pocket.
What is in my pocket? Hey, you're not. 6. 6 0. Oh, that's a million.
That's 7.
No, a billion has, oh, he has a little bit of poo-poo in his nose, folks. Don't mind if I clean it up. A billion has 9 zeros. It's a huge number. And these meteorites are approximately 4 to 5 billion years old. Whoa, let's continue our exploration of this alien meteorite. 20 to X, here we come. There's the handprint. What do you guys think about that?
Very good. I think I can see some little red things.
Yeah, that's perhaps oxidation. These meteorites are 90% iron and about 10% nickel. But there's other trace elements too. Gallium, I think it's in there. Cobalt is also in the meteorites. Wow, look at this guy. He's really exploring his microscope. Exploring these meteorites. Whoa, yeah.
This is inside the meteorite.
That's a great question, which I just answered. It's iron, nickel, cobalt, and other little elements. Great question. High five. Oh. These meteorites have been traveling through outer space for a really long time just to get to planet Earth, where they crashed. And you know what they left?
Crater.
A crater. Hey, how did you know that? That's fantastic. It does leave a crater. Whoa. There's that little alien meteorite. Let's continue, folks. This will be our final destination. 500 times magnification. Here we come. Whoa. Do you see that?
Very impressive.
Very impressive. That's an impressive word. I like it. What do you think about that meteorite? What are the black things, he says? That's another fantastic question. When this meteorite was crashing through the atmosphere and slamming into the earth, it became extremely hot and it melted. If you look at the meteorite, it looks like it was melting. And guys, we started with about 6 meteorites and now we're down to 2. They've dropped the rest of them. Yeesh. Anywho, folks, there we go. We're gonna continue. Hey, do you know what else rocks? The subscribe and like button. Why don't you guys go ahead and smash it? Thank you. So, what did you guys think of the Campo del Cielo meteorites?
Good.
Does it look like an alien was touching that meteorite?
Yep.
Wow, yes, he says. Did you see that little alien hand on the meteorite? What do you think about that? Is it scary?
No.
He says no, he's very brave, folks. It's very interesting to look at, but he's right, it's not scary. We're not scared of you aliens. Anywho, folks, thank you for joining us, folks. Come back next time as we continue to explore the unseen universe.